You are the reason. Angels fly high. Angels fly high. Angels fly high. We are here. Good morning. Angels fly high is in a tunnel this morning. When I'm not giving across the country, I'm having some fun. We're in a tunnel. All right. I don't care too much for tunnels, but we're at the end of it. Have a great day. Continue watching. We're almost out. Hey, we out the tunnel. Okay, we out the tunnel now. I'm headed fishing. We're gonna go to 3 different spots. And let's catch some fish. Hey, we out here on 10 Miami Trail. Another day of relaxation with Angels Fly High and fishing in the hood. Yes, gonna be a great day today. We're gonna see if we catch some warmouth. Stay tuned. Oh wow, before I can catch a fish, we have a visitor. A alligator. Look at him trying to hide in the tunnel.
Did he catch it? He caught
No.
that fish.
He caught it.
Yeah, look, he's backing up in there.
That's why you can't fall in these waters out here. I'm out here fishing, but look at that gator. He hiding down in that tunnel.
He missing an eye.
What's wrong with his nose, too?
He been in a
That tunnel.
look at they no, they don't nose look like Jamal Dog's nose. The Frenchies. Oh my Lord. There's some fish out here today. Look all them fish.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at the big bluegills and sharecrackers going out.
Mm-hmm.
Holy Toledo.
Oh, they out here. He came up. Make him get it, fat. Make him jump. Look at. He blind.
Good, get in that water. See
Oh, he's small. Oh no, he big. That's where all the fish are gone. Oh, he got him.
his tail come up.
He had the nerve to burp.
Oh.
Let me get my feet.
All right. Enough of you, Gate. I got to catch some fish today. Oh, wow. They wanted to stop and watch us fish.
We go all over fishing all over the United States.
All right.
Me and my wife, we just travel and fish.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
we was up there in September. We was in Detroit salmon fishing.
Yeah.
We had such a good time.
fishing?
Yeah.
Nice.
We just got back from the West Coast on Wednesday. We just got back Wednesday from the West Coast over there.
Okay, after watching us fish, this is brother and sister. They stayed behind and we invited them to church. Angels Fly High. It's everywhere, showing love and kindness. And they came to church with us on Sunday. And we had a good time.
It's hot. Get up, man, back.
What you got there?
Warm out.
Look at her hand can't even close. Her hand can't. That don't mean nothing. Oh,
Hold on, I gotta get a video with that one, believe it.
She having babies.
Whatever. Turn the other way.
Well, after feeding them alligators, they started coming out the water. It was plenty. It was gator day, if you ask me. These two led up on the bank. Then we turned around. There was another one on the side of us. But we had a good time. We enjoyed ourselves. I enjoy myself. Angels fly high with the gators. We're gonna get up out of here. Only caught two in this spot here. So we're gonna head out to another spot. We're fishing in the hood. Well, I might have not caught no fish, but I caught a turtle. I caught a baby turtle. I'm gonna get something out that water. Okay, now we at Eastgates Park in Dothan, Alabama on another fishing trip. I told you we on different fishing trips. All right, Angels fly high. We out here relaxing today. We in Marianna, Florida. We found the fishing hole with fishing in the hood. My brother and his wife. So we're gonna try this lake out today. It's fishing in the hood truck. That's his wife, Kim.
Hey.
So we relaxing today. All right, we at the lake. Beautiful lake. I have my pole out there. You see that conch? See that conch out there? They haven't moved yet. Look at this bit. That's fishing in the hood over there. They haven't caught none either. But it's a beautiful day to be out. A change, you know. Just we out there giving and giving and sharing and caring. So the dad said, you know what? Let's just relax today. Angels fly high at the lake, Marianna, Florida. Fishing. All right, we out here to another spot. Gates open. Like we're gonna catch them here. We here at Mexico Beach where we're gonna fish from the pier. It's not Mexico, that's just the name they gave it right outside of Marianna. Okay, we out here today. Let's see what he got in his bucket. Wow, look at there. He got a good catch. We just getting out here. Just getting started. Thank you.
Wow, nice job.
That's Demetrius, my brother.
Take that time.
Kim.
Fix it.
Angels fly high, gonna have a good time today out here.
It's a very light tackle, no heavy tackle, correct?
Yeah, I've been catching most of them on this little pole right here, but it broke the hook.
Well,
So I got a leader. I made my own leader.
my
Got a
brother
swivel,
is fixing
a
up my
small
reeling
weight,
rod for me to.
a 3/8 weight, and a leader. Put the leader. I like to put my leader about 2 feet, 1.5 feet.
Everybody catching fish.
Once I get going, they can be on their own. And you don't get hung up too much out here. So everybody should be good for the rest of the day. And we using dead shrimp. But I got a blue crab. I'm gonna cut in half and throw it on that big rod. Might get the big red come through.
All right,
But we at it.
we at it today.
All right, y'all.
Let me see. Okay, I said let me see, but I ain't really want to see like that.
Bats.
Oh, that's
What's
a
that?
red.
That's a red. You can grab it. All right. He's still out here catching them. They slowed down, the bite slowed down. But we did a good catch, the bucket full. Seagulls fishing, we fishing. Look at the people down there fishing. Angels fly high is having a nice, relaxing time. Stay tuned for more. Hey, Hey, Angels Fly High, I'd like to thank everyone for enjoying the day with fishing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. There is more to come.